Next example is acceleration. A micro electromechanical sensor, short form is MEMS, micro electromechanical sensor, detects linear acceleration, linear direction. Acceleration is the directions. So we can identify the linear acceleration as AX, AY and AZ along 3 axes. So we are having a 3 axes, X, Y and Z respectively. An micro electromechanical sensor moves when a mass moves along a direction. So MEMS moves when a mass moves along a direction. So when a weight is moving along the direction, it will moves. A mechanical movement has 3 components. Whatever the movement we are making, that movement will have 3 components. The variation causes the variation in 3 capacitance. Whatever the movement is making, that variation causes, that variation will be identifying in 3 capacitance values, that is Cx, Cy and Cz. Capacitance X, capacitance Y and capacitance Z. The value of each capacitance depends on the space between 2 plane surface. The value of each capacitance depends on the space between 2 plane surface, which varies on acceleration along axis. So it depends upon the acceleration along the axis, along the directions. These capacitance are part of electronic circuit and the resulting voltage variation gives AX, AY and AZ. These capacitance are the part of electronic circuits, hence the resulting voltage variation gives in the direction of AX, AY and AZ. The accelerometer sensor is used in new generation mobile phones. Then where we are using this acceleration? In our new generation mobile phones. We are using it in our smartphones. Let us see. The display screen images and menu item rotates and align horizontally or vertically on detecting the 3 component using the sensor when it rotates along with the phone. So we are using our smartphones. If we want to drag our images or if we want to place our menu items rotating either horizontally, vertically or detecting the 3 components. If we want to align our menu, so whatever the icon is appearing on your screen, if you want to change the direction of the screen, then that direction will be depends upon these 3 linear directions, linear accelerations, that is AX, AY and AZ. So it is used in your smartphone technologies. The accelerometer also detects up, down, right, left and front, back acceleration given to the device by the user. So whenever you are moving your icon or your application, your app from one position to another position, it identifies the directions in the form of up, down, right, left and front, back acceleration given to the user by the user. So user gives these direction based on the devices. If you are giving the direction is based on accelerometer. SparkFun ADX335 is a readily available accelerometer sensors. Then the device we are using the accelerometer sensors means SparkFun ADX335. It is readily available accelerometer sensors. The accelerometer is given input supply at positive and negative potential terminals and it generates 3 outputs. So the input we are giving to the accelerator in the form of plus and minus potential terminals and it generates 3 outputs, that is voltage X, voltage Y and voltage Z as the function of the time. So based on the time, based on the functionality of our axis, it generates the variations. The computation gives AX, AY and AZ. Based on the computation, it provides the accelerometer direction of AX, AY and AZ components in your accelerometer circuit.